So now I'm going to talk about NFTs, right, or non-fungible tokens. So, what exactly is an NFT? So we're not going to get too deep into it during this lecture, but what we need to know, the simplest way to know about an NFT is that it's just a unique type of crypto token that has an identification code that cannot be duplicated or replicated. It's like a fingerprint, right? Everyone has their own unique fingerprint. So, the confusion comes from what is fungible? Fungible just means it can be duplicated or replicated. So in the case of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, right? It doesn't matter if you have one Bitcoin or another, right? Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It can be, duplicated or replaced. Like, it doesn't really matter which one you're holding on to, right? It's all the same. But with NFT, right, just like a fingerprint, each one is unique. So it's a very, very fascinating topic. Right now, it's most popularly being used for digital artwork and like digital trading cards. But there's many, many other purposes, which we'll get into. I think it was touched on yesterday about like ownership, right? Web3. So very, very cool. We're going to talk about that later. But for taxation and consideration purposes, right now, there's no actual official guidance from the IRS regarding NFTs. So what we'll do is we can treat NFTs the same as typical cryptocurrencies like digital assets. So you can refer to the short and long-term capital gains rates, which we had discussed in the day 2 lecture. But yeah, just keep in mind, like when purchasing NFTs with crypto, it's the same thing as purchasing anything else with crypto. So when you dispose of that crypto, right, whether you're purchasing an NFT or anything else, there's going to be a short and long-term capital gains rates that it will be subject to, depending on how long you were holding on to the crypto, to the currency, right, before you dispose of it to purchase the NFT. Okay. So one thing to consider is that, some of our competitors and others in the industry, they hypothesize that, some NFTs, like, for example, the ones that are used for digital artwork, or the ones that are, trading card like they're doing with in sports, they could be categorized as collectibles, like collectibles or like stamps or items like that. And those follow like a slightly different tax rules. But until we have clear guidance from the IRS, we're going to follow it as just the same as any other cryptocurrency. So a little bit simpler. And that's pretty much it. Any questions on NFTs for the taxation and consideration purposes? Otherwise, that pretty much wraps up the discussion for today. Everything was pretty clear. Everything was pretty straightforward today. But it was really awesome because that kind of wraps up the crypto taxation portion. So from now on, we're going to move into the greater crypto world, tackling those crypto concepts like blockchain and cryptocurrency. And those are actually the 2 topics that we're going to go through next time. So we're going to start working into what exactly is blockchain and what is crypto, and really, really fun, interesting stuff, constantly changing. All right, so that's everything for today. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.